this is Daddy Question here. Today we're going to learn how to expand brackets. As you can see here, we have a question and we are going to simplify it or expand it. To expand it, we can view this 5 technically as a cannon, and we are going to fire this cannon onto X and onto Y. So let us do that. Our result will be 5. The result of expanding this will be 5 multiplied by X plus Y multiplied by X. This will equal to 5X plus 5Y. 2 steps to the answer here. Okay, let's move on to the next question. We have here 5X in brackets 8 plus 9Y. Okay, so first step, we're going to fire the cannon. We are going to get 5X multiplied by 8 plus 5X multiplied by 9Y. 5X multiplied by 8 is 40X plus 5X multiplied by 9Y. Be careful here, we multiply X and Y. So 5 times 9, we get 45, and then multiply X and Y, which we get XY. Alright, now this is the expansion of 5X in brackets 8 plus 9Y close brackets. We're going to move on to the next example, which is here. 5X in brackets 12X minus 8Y. So 5X multiplied by 12X, let's write that down, multiplied by 12X, minus, make sure a positive multiplied by a negative is a negative. So make sure that negative sign is there. That's very important. Minus 5X multiplied by 8Y. This will result in 60X squared. Make sure you have that squared because X multiplied by X is squared. 40XY. Because 5 times 8 is 40 and X times Y is XY. Okay, now I'm going to move on to a harder question. So this huge question we have here. So 12xy to the power of 2 in brackets 10y to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 12. Now this is huge and we have to make sure that we go slowly and not rush to the answer. So we can see here 12xy to the power of 2 multiplied by 10x to the power of 4 minus, make sure you have that minus sign, 12xy squared multiplied by 3x to the power of 12. This seems like quite a huge string of numbers and letters, but if we work systematically, this is not hard at all. Okay, so 12 multiplied by 10. This is equal to 120. Now, x multiplied by x to the power of 4, that's x to the power of 5. And y to the power of 2 multiplied by just 1 is y to the power of 2. Now we minus 12 multiplied by 3, that is 36. X multiplied by x to the power of 12 is x to the power of 13. And y to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 is y to the power of 2. So here we have it. This is the answer to this huge string of numbers and letters. It might not look that simple, but all we need to do is expand it and our job is done. Now we're going to look at some exponents. Exponents. This is an exponent. This number is an exponent. This means 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. That's 3 times 3 times 3. So if we write m to the power of n, this is m multiplied by itself, m multiplied by itself n times. So this is not that hard, but there are some rules. Now let's see a first example of a rule. I'm going very simple here, and we're not going to dive deep into all of the exponent rules, but here is one of the rules. 3 to the power of 2 multiply by 3 to the power of 4. We can indeed simplify this by adding the exponents together. Remember, 3 and 3, they are the same, so we can do this. This will result in 3 to the power of 6. because when we multiply their exponents, add. Okay, another rule here. Basically the opposite of this one. I'll write it up here, in fact. Let's use blue. 3 to the power of 8 divided by 3 to the power of 7. This will give you 3 to the power of 1. Because when we divide two numbers together, the exponents will subtract if these numbers are the same here. Okay, now what if we raise an exponent to the power of another exponent? So let's say, what if we use 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 5? This here will result in, since we have a 5 here, the exponent here multiplies. So we have here 5 to the power of 15. Now this exponent, as you can see, is quite huge. These are the 3 of many rules of exponents. I will leave it here for you guys. If you have any questions about exponents, ask and I'll answer within my ability. Thank you guys for watching, and this is Daddy Question. Remember to like and subscribe to encourage me to make further videos, and so that you guys will be able to learn something more about mathematics.